Your scalp is skin, and it is a pivotal role in the quality of your hair. Let's talk about it. I'm Janice. I'm an award-winning esthetician and award-winning waxer in Santa Fe Springs, California. And this is the hair restoration that we have been doing here in the clinic. So this client in particular did not want to microneedle. She didn't want to do any kind of needles, but we have skinwandpro, so we nano channeled this in. So there's no downtime. She doesn't have to worry about needles because she's got like a, a phobia thing, and totally understandable. It's a win-win for everybody. So we were using the same product that you have seen my other success client have, where she grew back all her hair right here and even got some color restoration back. So look up here at the top. Even though she had some rootage growing in, look at the quality of her scalp. Look how red, inflamed that looks. That is before we did anything. And you can tell there's like a slight bit of texture on the scalp. Now look down at the bottom. She is so even toned, soft, like the complexion is completely even. So she did the ampules that we are using with Dermastart that we get from MedSpa distributors. And we are using skinwandpro. I'm an ambassador. If you want one, I can get you one. And this is what happened in 3 sessions. So she is coming every other week for her sessions. And because the copper tide mist gets sprayed like this, I just want to point out the 2-in-1 that you get is, look at all the pigmentation and redness she had in her face. And look how it's gone at the bottom. So you can even see like there's some pigmentation here on this side, and on the bottom, it's gone. Plus the texture is gone. So the product is like a multi-use product, but my claim to fame with it is that hair restoration happens. And when we started implementing skinwandpro, it's just shooting it to the stars. So I want you guys to see, like, she is only halfway through, actually, yeah, about halfway through with her series. She still has a few more sessions, and then we'll have to wait and let the hair grow back. But we are starting to notice that there's these little tiny little sprouts and little inklings of like what wants to be hair. So I'm so excited for her. She really wanted to take care of this issue, but she was not comfortable with the needle. So I'm glad that I had that option for her. If that is something that you want to, a no downtime, easier way to regenerate some hair, or if you know a tia or an abuela that would love this, this is what you want. And you can always try with the home care product first if you want to invest in the services, because you will also get it quicker. But if you have more patience, you can also try with just the home care. Consults are always open. I do them virtually also. And if you need any questions answered, go ahead and let me know below.